welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the error which I faced while designing custom login page in Mendix platform. Okay, the thing what I did is I'm trying to design a custom login page using the widgets, login ID text box, password text box, login button widgets. So after using these widgets, when I tried to build my app, I got this error. That is widgets, validation message, login ID text box, password text box, and sign in button are not supported in React client. Okay, this is because my custom login page used legacy widgets incompatible with the React based web client in Mendix. Because of this, I'm getting this error. So what I tried or what fix I tried to solve this issue is I simply updated my app settings. So for that, go to settings under app module, click on settings, go to runtime. Here, if you see, use React client is selected as S. So from S, change the option to migration mode. Okay, and then click OK. Now, if you see here, the app built, you see the error message is gone. This is the fix when you are using legacy widgets which are not supported in React based web client. Okay, so when you use migration mode, what it will do is legacy widgets, it make legacy widgets to work. That migration mode will make legacy widgets to work and React based pages to use modern widgets. Also, the migration mode makes the transition smooth without breaking the application. Okay, this is the fix for the error which we get when we use legacy widgets to support React based web client. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.